This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set up a 401k in Gusto. If you're an employer or an employee looking to manage your retirement savings efficiently, Gusto provides a streamlined platform to do just that. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can manage your 401k with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to gusto.com. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type gusto.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to Gusto's homepage. Gusto is known for its user-friendly interface, so you should find it straightforward to get started. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Benefits section. This is where you'll find everything related to employee benefits, including the 401k setup. Click on Benefits to proceed. This section is designed to help employers and employees alike manage benefits with minimal hassle. Next, you'll see a range of options related to different types of benefits. Find the section labeled 401k and click on See 401k Options. This will provide you with a detailed overview of the 401k plans available through Gusto. Understanding these options is crucial, as it allows you to make an informed decision about your retirement savings plan. If you already have a 401k plan in place, you'll click on I already have a 401k. This option allows you to integrate your existing plan with Gusto, ensuring that your contributions and payroll deductions are synced seamlessly. Integrating your existing plan can save you significant time and ensure consistency across your financial management. After selecting I already have a 401k, you'll need to choose your 401k provider from a list. This step is important because it enables Gusto to sync contributions and payroll deductions directly with your provider. If your provider is listed, simply click on Choose to select it. However, if you use a different provider that's not listed, don't worry. You can still proceed by clicking on I use a different provider. This option caters to those who may have more niche or specialized providers. Gusto understands that not all providers are the same, so they offer the flexibility to accommodate various plans. Once you've indicated that you're using a different provider, you'll need to set up a manual deduction. Click on Set up Manual Deduction. This allows you to manually enter the details of your 401k contributions, ensuring that everything is correctly accounted for in Gusto's system. Now comes the part where you'll enter the necessary details for your deductions. It's important to be as accurate as possible here to prevent any errors in your 401k contributions. Carefully enter all required information, which may include the amount of your contributions and any additional terms of your 401k plan. Once you've entered all the details, it's time to finalize the setup. Click on Save and Continue. This will save all the information you've entered and complete the setup process. Remember, reviewing everything before saving ensures that there are no mistakes or omissions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your 401k in Gusto. By following these steps, you ensure that your retirement savings are managed effectively and efficiently. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Gusto's support team is always available to assist. Thanks for watching, and here's to a secure financial future.